Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading Here We Are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth. And it's written by Oliver Jeffers, and interestingly enough, he wrote it when his son was only 2 months old. So these were all the things that he thought his 2-month-old son should know about living on Earth. Our solar system. And here we are right there, Earth. Well, hello. Welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We're glad you found us, as space is very big. There is much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. Our planet is basically made up of two parts: land, rock and dirt, sea, water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we are all standing on right now. We know lots about the land. We know it can be really hot, it can be pointy, it can be cold, bumpy, flat, dry, hot, or even wet. Then there is the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk some more about that once you've learned how to swim. The sea goes nearly 7 miles deep, we think. There's also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated. We have the sun, and we spin around the sun, and the moon spins around us. And then there's stars, which are burning balls of gas very far away that you see at night, unless it's raining. There's constellations, which are patterns of stars. And there's other planets. On our planet, there are people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body. You have a head, a brain for thinking. You have arms. You have a heart to pump your blood. You have lungs for breathing air. You have bones to hold it all together. You have a belly, and you have legs. Look after it, as most bits don't grow back. Bits that do grow back are your nails and your hair. The most important things for people to remember are to eat and stay warm. People come in many sizes, shapes, and colors. We may all look different, act different, and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. There are animals too. They come in even more shapes, sizes, and colors. They can't speak, though that's no reason to not be nice to them. And the parrot down there is saying, I can. You may not be able to speak yet either, even though your head is filled with questions. Be patient. You'll learn how to use words soon enough. Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it is daytime and we do stuff. The rest of the time is night when it is dark, save for the moon, and we sleep. You see the baby crying, you're saying, please. Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. More often, though, they move quickly, so use your time well. It will be gone before you know it. Though we have come a long way, we haven't quite worked everything out, so there's plenty left for you to do. You will figure lots of things out for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everyone else. It looks big, Earth, but there's lots of us on here. 7,327,450,677 and counting. So be kind. There is enough for everyone. While that is planet Earth, make sure you look after it as it's all we've got. So now, if you need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else. You're never alone on earth.